Hello everyone, I am Babita. I recently completed my Bachelor's in Social Work and Rural Development from Thames International College. Talking about my skills, I am punctual, good with people skills, and also I can blend easily with the dynamic environment. I got an opportunity to be a part of career bootcamp organized by MeroJob, which basically focuses on CV and resume writing, thorough preparation for the interview, personality development, and communication skills. Believe me, it was a wonderful learning experience for me. For the placement day, which is going to be held on August 14, I am looking forward to meet the delegates of different organizations and companies, where I can show my talents and competency, according to which the organizations can measure my talent and give me a suitable platform. So I would like to suggest and highly recommend all my friends to be part of this kind of career bootcamp, which helps to groom yourself before entering the job market. At last, I would like to thank Thames International College and MeroJob for providing me this wonderful opportunity and experience. Thank you.